Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I make my prawn nigiri. Well, I made this on my birthday. I love Japanese food, especially seafood, so I'm going to show you how I made this on my birthday, right? Pretty simple. Right, here I've got some Japanese sushi rice, and we've just washed that as per instructions. Make sure we get rid of any impurities out of that. I'm going to put that straight into my rice cooker. Now, cooking sushi rice, just read the back of the packet. It's usually 1 cup to 1 cup, so 1 cup of rice to 1 cup of water. I'm just going to put the lid on that, turn it on, and wait for it to go pop. It's very, very simple, easy way to do it. There are other ways to do it. Again, the packet will tell you how to do it, but I use the rice cooker. Really nice and simple. Here I've got some wasabi powder, and I'm just going to make up a little bit of fresh wasabi. Not fresh, but as hot as you can get. So I'm going to put about 3 teaspoons of that in there. I'm going to add a little bit of water, and I'm going to use a paddle pop stick. That's what we call them here in Australia, or an ice cream stick. And I'm just going to use that to mix that through to the consistency that I want. I want it a little bit thicker than other people would, but that is up to you. So you just add that, stir it, and leave that aside. So here I've got some nice big prawns. I've taken the heads off, and I've used a pair of kitchen scissors and just removed the legs on the bottom. Now I'm going to put a skewer straight through from the head side all the way through to the tail, and that's going to hold that prawn nice and straight. So I've got quite a few prawns here, and I'm going to make a couple of different recipes with all these prawns. But look, we need to start at the beginning on how to do this. All right, I'm pretty happy with those. I'm going to put those back into the refrigerator just for a little bit. And they were fresh prawns bought from the fish market. Here I've got some water, heavily salted, right, just like that. And I'm going to bring that up to the boil. All right, so once you see the bubbles start to happen, you know they're boiling. And all we have to do is put our prawns straight in just like that, and as you can see, those prawns are staying nice and straight, and it's going to make making the presentation for our nigiri even better. Okay, so just going to do that. Very simple, and I'm going to boil those off for around about 3 to 3.5 minutes ish. All right, once they sort of really go that pink type of color, we can take those straight out just like that, and I'm going to put those into some very, very cold water. Okay, now that is like really cold refrigerated water. If you have ice, it is even better. We just want to stop that cooking process. So checking how cold that water is. Anyway, we put that back into the refrigerator. Now our rice is gone pop, right? So the rice cooker will tell you when your rice is done. We're just going to take that out and put that into a glass bowl, a non-metallic bowl, because we're going to add our sushi seasoning. And that sushi seasoning actually does have a little bit of acidity to it, and that can actually be corrosive and give your sushi rice a bit of a funky flavour. If you have a wooden bowl, it is even better again. Right, I'm not going to make my own sushi seasoning today. I'm just going to buy or use the store-bought product. Normally I do make it. It is very simple. You know, a bit of vinegar, a bit of mirin. I'll try and show you how to make this one day for sure. Now I'm just going to use my little rice spoon, and I'm going to use a chopping motion to mix that mixture through, that sushi seasoning through. If you don't know how much sushi seasoning to use, it is on the back of the bottle. It's usually around about sort of 1 tablespoon to 1 cup's worth of rice. Okay, so I've done that. I'm going to make sure I let that cool down a bit, and here I go. We're going to start getting our prawns ready. We're going to remove the sticks or the skewers from them, and to the best part, they have stayed pretty straight. Now, this is where my MS comes into play at times. It's going to be taking the shell off the prawn, but trying to get the shell off the tail and leave the tail in that little wedge. Okay, so all you have to do is, like where the legs were, just put your thumb around there and just peel that all off, just go around like that. Pretty easy to do, and having a fresh prawn like this is the best. It's the best flavour, and especially if you've done them yourself instead of having someone else do them for you. Alright, so here I am. I'm going to try and take the shell off the tail. So I've got the little V, and as you can see, I failed. So it's just a hand coordination type thing for me, and I don't know my own strength, but eventually I did get some. So I'm going to cut these prawns from the bottom side through, not all the way through. We're going to try and leave a little bit of flesh at the top, and that's going to expose the intestinal tract of the prawn. We want to give these a nice little sort of inside out butterfly type look. Okay, so once again, just I'm trying to take my time and trying to cut these through, and to get rid of that intestinal tract, a bit of damp paper towel works great. Now here I've got my wasabi. I'm just going to give a good dose of wasabi on the inside of that prawn, just like that. Now I haven't done these perfectly. I'm not a sushi chef, and I don't do this enough to get enough practice doing it, but I'm just showing you, you might as well have a go at trying to do it, otherwise you'll never know. Right, I've got a nice little bit of sushi rice, made a nice little ball, and I'm going to just pack that nice and tight and put the prawn on top, just like that. And before you know it, you have made your own prawn nigiri. It's not that hard. Once you've got the prawn cooked, and once you've got it butterflied and your rice made, all you have to do is make that little ball of rice and get that sitting inside the prawn. I'd love to see you try and make this one at home. It is a little bit fiddly. It is not the easiest thing for me to do, but I tell you what, I do love the flavour. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell so you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Leave a comment. I respond and read every single valid comment, not spam. Anyway, if you want to see what it's like to try and make your own Japanese sushi, just like this, when you've got MS, well, you might as well come and join the family. My family. Hit the subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Alright, I ate this a couple of days ago when it was my birthday, and I will catch you next time anyway. Bye.